Everybody, take a deep breath. It is time for a trading mindset with Dr. Jinnie Cristerna.
All right. Well, what I want everyone to do is if you're driving, don't do this because you're going to have
Mm.
to close your eyes. If you're operating machinery or anything like that, right? If you want to do the meditation, I want you to have a place where you're able to sit still so you can close your eyes and relax. If you need to go to a quiet place because you're in a place that's kind of noisy, take a few moments and find a place just to go. If it's beautiful here in Chicago for me, so if you want to go outside, you can do that. But just find a place because you're gonna have to close your eyes, be still, and I'm gonna take you on a really nice journey. So for those of you who are in a nice place and that's quiet and you're perhaps even by yourself in your office, go ahead and just uncross your legs, uncross your arms. If you're sitting in a chair, just allow yourself to relax, put your head back. If you're lying in the bed or if you're on a couch or a sofa or something like that, allow yourself to relax there. If you want to lie on your sofa or your couch, feel free to do that. But breathe, just close your eyes, breathe normally, and you're going to hear the sound of my voice. And I just want you to listen to the sound of my voice. Nice deep breath in your nose, counting to 4, 3, 2, 1, blowing out of your mouth. 3, 2, 1. We're just going to do a simple box breathing in your nose. 2, 3, 4. Out of your mouth. 3, 2, 1. And now I want you to relax and just breathe normally. Just relax. And now I want you to take a nice deep breath in. Hold that breath. And then I want you to puff out your cheeks and blow that breath out of your mouth as hard and fast as you can. Beautiful. Another deep breath in. Holding that breath. And then blowing it as hard and fast out of your mouth as you can, puffing out your cheeks. Good job. One more time. Nice deep breath in. This time I'm going to have you hold it as long as you can. Maybe like 10 seconds. When you can't hold it any longer, just blow that breath out as hard and fast as you can. Beautiful. And just feel your body relaxing. Feel your chest become lighter and open up. Feeling your body getting heavier and heavier. Feeling the muscles in your face and your eyes and your cheeks relax. Around your mouth, down your neck and shoulders, your torso, all of that stress and tension, down your hips and thighs, out the soles of your feet, going deeper and deeper into relaxation. Beautiful. And as you relax even more, you're going to notice that any thoughts and cares that you have are just going to melt away. You need not know what each of them are, just let them go. Any thoughts that are circling or surrounding your head that haven't settled, just let them go. Beautiful. And I'm going to count you down from 5 to 1, and you're going to become more and more relaxed as you go deeper and deeper into peace, clarity, and relaxation. 5. Feel your body sinking into the comfort of your chair or your couch. 4. Feeling all of the heaviness just melt away. 3. Feeling your body go loose and limp like noodles. 2. You're almost at the very bottom of relaxation. And 1. Allow yourself to be here in this place. And I want you to take a nice, slow breath and get used to being in this place. Just see, sense, and feel what it is like to be here at peace, to be relaxed. Just breathe. And I want you to look to your left, and you're going to see a beautiful path of light, some of the most brilliant and amazing white light. And I just want you to step on that path of light. And as you step on that path of light, feel all of the worries and the cares and the tension just get absorbed through your feet out of your body. And I want you to notice how you become very clear. We're focusing now on anything that you want clarity on, whether it's trading, your personal life, your emotions. Decide what you want clarity on right now and set that as your intention. Your intention to become aware, to know without fear, without judgment. And I want you to begin to walk on this path of light. And as you walk, each step brings you closer to clarity, releasing any heaviness, any emotion that would take you away from that clarity. And you can repeat clarity, clarity. Don't look to the left or to the right. Any sounds that you hear are just the normal everyday sounds of living. They don't distract you in any way. Any heaviness doesn't take you to the left or right. Anything that comes into your mind, any scattered thoughts, we allow them to be and we just keep walking past them until we get to clarity. And soon you'll notice that there's a white fence. And on the other side of that fence is the most beautiful garden. I want you to step into that garden and notice what that garden looks like. You're going to see a waterfall and a pond, lush grass, and beautiful trees. And then you're going to notice a bench. I want you to walk over to that bench and have a seat. And as you sit there on the bench, gaining even more clarity, notice how that wise part of you, that part of you that is healthy, that is strong, that has gotten you this far in life, that has helped you to survive 100% of everything that was sent to destroy you. Notice that part coming to you now. It might look like a symbol or color, or maybe a part of you. And allow it to sit with you. And feel free to ask this part of you any questions that you have about anything that you need clarity on. And just listen to what it says. And as this part of you begins to wrap up its conversation, it has a gift. So you can remember this place and remember your clarity. So as it hands you this gift, take it in your hands and look at it. Notice what it is. And ask that part of you, what good thing is this gift going to help you do? And listen for the answer. Now take this gift this energetic, conscious gift and place it right in your heart. And as this gift is beginning to integrate itself throughout your body, notice how you're transforming. Something in you has changed. This place has changed you. But this place has always been here because this garden is in your heart. It's that part of you that knows how to regulate your emotions, how to think clearly, and how to find the answers that you need. So whenever you're confused and you need clarity, just find a nice quiet place and close your eyes. Allow yourself to follow this path of light back to your heart garden. Sit on this bench and call that wise part of you that knows how to help you figure out some of the most difficult things in your life and talk with it. So as we begin to come back, I'm going to count you up from 1 to 5. And as you come back, you're going to feel clear, refreshed, and relaxed. 1, stepping back on this path of light. 2, releasing anything that no longer serves your highest good and that brings you confusion and chaos. 2, calling back all of your energy and your power. 3, integrating at the deepest level. 4, feeling refreshed and relaxed. And 5, slowly opening your eyes, moving your hands and your feet, coming back into your body with clarity, with relaxed thoughts, and with a desire and willingness to push forward through the day with excitement and vigor. Welcome back, everyone. How was that? Was that okay?
Wonderful, Jinnie. Thank you very much. We're probably going to cut that out and put it as separate on the site so that people can go back to that and use it over and over again. Thank you very much. I hope everybody's in a better mindset and feeling better, stronger, more clear. And thank you again very much for that, Jinnie. That was wonderful.